welcome back to another episode of Let's Get Dirty with the Dirt Man. So I'm doing one that I've been asked a couple times to do, and one I enjoy to cook in my house all the time, and that is dirty hamburgers on the grill. I'm going to show you how to make it. I'm going to show you how to use it with the original dirt. You can use the other dirts also with it, but I prefer the original dirt. So let's get started. So we're going to use 80-20 hamburgers. I like a little bit of the 20% fat that's in there. And I'm going to use the original dirt. So this is really simple. I'm just going to throw hamburger right inside. And we're going to open this up. And I'm going to put approximately, that's probably good. That's about 2.5 tablespoons. Just enough to make sure I get it all throughout the meat. I know some people, when they're doing hamburgers, they'll just put the seasoning on the outside. I really love the seasoning inside. You can add more dirt if you like to, and guess what? Dirt Man wants to throw just a little bit more dirt in. There we go. All right, so now I'm just gonna break it off. I'm gonna put enough that's gonna fill up my hand. And then I'm just gonna roll it up really nice, kind of like a big giant meatball. And then I'm gonna flatten them out, just like so. There you go, that came out beautiful. Do another one. There we go. All right, just got done washing my hands. We have the 2 hamburgers here. We've got more hamburger here. This is what I normally do in our house with the extra hamburger. We'll freeze these. What we'll do is we'll put this hamburger in a little Saran wrap, freeze it, put it in the freezer. So when you want to use it later down the road, you can take that out, thaw it out in the refrigerator while you're at work, or thaw it out whenever you need it. Put it on the grill, cook with it. Works great. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take these hamburgers, take them right outside to the grill, and I'll meet you outside. All right, we're outside now on this beautiful day here in Maryland. Gosh, it is just a beautiful day. And I'm cooking on my green eggs, so I'm definitely in my happy place. Dirt Man loves to grill. So let's open this up. Let's burp the grill. It's nice and hot. And what we're gonna do is, so right now we already know it has the original dirt on here. You could put some more on top. One of the things that I personally love, I love the salty sailor right on top of there. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put the salty sailor right here on the hamburger. I'm gonna press that in really nice. And then we're gonna put that right on the grill. Put a little bit more on top. Oh yeah. This is gonna be one amazing hamburger. This in a hamburger is amazing, especially with the original dirt flavors in there. Oh, it's gonna be fantastic. Let's shut this up and we'll be right out in a couple minutes. Moving the little grill marks. Just turning it, that's it. Just about 40 degrees, and then shut it up for just another minute, and then we'll flip it over. All right, we've already turned it, 40 degrees to get the grill marks, so let's turn this up, let's open it back up, and we're gonna flip them. We're getting dirty. Oh yeah, look at those hamburgers. Look how pretty those things look. Let's shut this up, and then we will put some cheese on it, and we'll be done. All right, let's open this bad boy up. We're gonna, that wind. All right, let's gonna put a little bit of cheese on. So I'm using a little American cheese, and we know Dirt Man loves some pepper jack. Put a little pepper jack on there. Close it up and we'll be done just in a minute. All right, these hamburgers are ready. Let's take them off. There's the one with the pepper jack. And the one with the American cheese. This is gonna be yummy. Let's check it out. Let's go inside. Let's bite into one of them. Okay, now we're gonna bite into these dirty hamburgers. Now you're gonna say, Dirt Man, you can't even find the time to actually get some buns and lettuce, tomato, and put up something really nice on here. Yeah, you would think that I would have done that, but as Tori and I were walking through the through the grocery store. I said, we need something in bread, and I couldn't remember why. We forgot the buns. So we're just gonna have to go with this. Hamburgers look good. They're fantastic. Let's bite into one. This is the one with the American cheese. Mmm. 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 When you bite into a dirty hamburger, it's gonna be like no other hamburger you ever have. You're gonna love it. The original dirt just really brings out the flavor of that hamburger, and that salty sailor right on top just gives it that nice boldness of flavors. Oh, you're gonna love it. So I hope you enjoyed this, and subscribe and do all that fun stuff. And remember, it's always a good time to get dirty.